Question number 7.
Yeah.
The diagram shows a partial in the shape of a rectangle. So we've got that rectangular shape there. And Jack wants to cover the partial with paving slabs. So they want to use paving slabs, and each paving slab is a square of side 40 centimeters. So if I put that to be the paving slab, and it is a square of side 40 centimeters each. The paving slabs cost £7.59 each. Jack has £300 to spend. Does Jack have enough money to cover the partial with paving slabs? So you want to work out the area of the surface, the total surface area that you're going to cover. So you want to change it to centimeters because the slabs are measured in centimeters. So you change the 3.6 meters to centimeters. So it becomes 3.6 times 100 centimeters. That gives you 360 centimeters. 1.6 times 100, it gives you 160 centimeters. So you go 360 times 160 to get the area. And then one of the ways you want to look at it is if from point A to point B is 360 centimeters, and each of these square is 40. So we have to put, how many of them do we put in there? Let me duplicate the squares and see. If you put one there, each of the slabs. So if each of these slabs is 40, 40, 40, 40, how many of them would you put to cover 360? So it's 360 divided by 40. 360 divided by 40, it gives you 4. And then you want to go, sorry, 360 divided by 40, not 4. 340 divided by 40 is 9. So that means there'll be 9 of them that way. And then you want to do 160 because on this side, you want to see how many of them you can put on this side. So there's one there. Let's duplicate it and put another one. So how many of them would fit on this side? So the length of this side, each of them is 40, 40, and this length is 160. So how many of them will be there? 160 divided by 40. That gives you 4.
Yeah.
So now you know 9 by 4. So now that you know it's 9 by 4, so 9 slabs long and 4 going down. So 9 times 4 gives you 36. 9 times 4 gives you 36. The price for each of them is £7.59. That's not very expensive. It's cheap tiles. £7.59 times 36, it gives you £273.24. And £273 is less than £300. So you have enough money. And these are cheap tiles. They're very cheap tiles. Expensive tiles are not that £7.59. So that's how you do that type of question. Work out the area of the surface if you want, or you work out how many of those squares can fit along, and then how many fit down, and then work out the area using that to count the number of slabs. Multiply the number by the price. The number of slabs is 36 times the price. That means you go to the shop, you will buy 36 paving slabs. And each one is £7.59. So you times each one by £7.59, you get that price. And you notice your money is, you got more money, so you got enough to buy it. That's how you do that type.